and they have a solve longest increasing subsequence, Leetcode 300. But solve way did about me use so dynamic programming approach, right? But and then person me use another approach, and only a faster, right? Into no, you share the solve longest increasing subsequence. Into way no my array be to say we are 10, 9, 2, 5, 3, 7, 101, and 18, right? And obviously I share the longest increasing subsequence, right? The which mind say you form yanka say array results, right? Yeah, for first number near the account say, right? 10. But you pay longest strictly increasing subsequence, right? Into your fat way 9 way. The Bible count as say 9 no es so chain 10 there said the above for no saying care so chain 10 and care the count, but since say so chain into the sequence be any and ye increasing actually decreasing. Into you be 10 if you're near the 9 hour shall say, right? Now for the 2 so Bible count, the 2 no so Bible count 2 no so is so chain 9 into any sequence be 2 no be here free ho. You be 9 if you're near the 2 now count, right? After the 5 no, a switch away into a increasing the 5 no so count. But here bar 3 way say 3 no is switching 5 way, right? Into any increase you must not go into be 5 if you are near the 3 number. About 7, I will say, right? 7 no switch 3 into the 7 count. After the 101 no switch into the 101 count. After the you 18, but 18 is such a way into be 101 if you need 18 number. If you are results in the 2, 3, 7, and 18, right? Now if you are finding the length of this, like 1, 2, 3, 4 into even 4, right? Into results ni a bit my say, but a bit my say so, right? Because anyway, ni na such a 8 and you between 101 number and also between the way number, right? But then style like a bay need the easy way, maybe as the women if you want, right? Then it be you should Osha ade we are forming an increasing reference sequence. And increasing sequence you can say you should be free like a sorted array more issue binary search. It's binary search no in your debate you will right if you factor near the camera near finding the midpoint because you try to form an increasing array, right? Into you know form one increasing sorted array into you the 10 count, right? Near set it into at that point left and right and be equal, right? Into see the 9 bar become 1. Now say 9 is you for near the 10 for net 9 account, right? Into you best set it left and a right no be the length of results now you forming, right? Into you find the midpoints like if you are familiar with binary search, as how binary search approach no in you be who say okay you first one in free word and as you replacing, right? But technically I'll write the number of tron it be replacing and you say year free it be replacing 9 so banner say we no is a switch in the air banner yeah the way no be share there at that one name, right? Into no near be right? So approach no near be so approach we a little bit complex, but we share over and over, and then now we improve your understanding of binary search. It should be very easy. Okay, into yanko share the way bit myself. Until like me kind never form array results, right? Form array results. Now feed ye cast a 4. Oh. For now, okay, in numbers, right? Because the left a equal to 0 because let's start here for 0 now. right equal to the length of resource array. Right, into while left less than right now, that's the length of this array, right? So difference will more, right? Number for now, you be take the midpoint because and say try to form an increasing array which is sorted, right? You find the midpoint, mid index, okay? Where left plus right divided by 2, right? Into if, right, results the midpoint less than number na right? Say less than number na which means a number no eso. You move left number in kakra, right? Into left no equal to mid plus 1, right? Because left no move ya ban nim kakra because so ban nim say yes sir. If that's not the case, yeah, else right equal to mid, yes sir, yeah, last point no right, last point no right, because I mean say made in the so chain number na 90, right? No be see here, right? But left ma be do I say, right? It is sad to be move left na be nim sir. But say left no to me ban nim and say left no be equal to the length of resource, which means say situation left in waba and say a sub situation where say left in the right near pe and a 5 by, right? Until the 5 never count, right? And I say if it's a crowd left here 0, right is here 0, into she ho into I say the 10 number count, right? That's the same thing. Into a results dot append number. And yes idea. Yeah, who say yes right, and yes idea, it means a number never had the ban so into the ban be replacing, right? Into never be results at index left no we equal to new number never, right? If we are the can say we return the length of results, right? And never mind number is not efficient, right? Into say in a way to make use binary search, sort of a binary search, modified binary search to solve our question. Oh, so in the wrong place. It's like say near best of until the main copy question. Then copy my solution number I say. Maybe paste you I say. Right. It's a measure yeah, see near best of it's checking here. Oh, a say a double equal to. Yep, and you see, and now the best of them, right? Alright, into that's a pa. What question be a far to chatting? I'm going to say me to my answer my comment section. Alright, that's it.